dress that makes you feel instantly elegant the moment that you put it on? Yeah, well, this might be that dress. I'm Gracie with WTI, and this maxi dress from Coco instantly makes me feel classy, comfortable, and flattering all at the same time. First, this beautiful dusty pastel pink color is absolutely stunning. Every time I put it on, I feel like I should be going to a wedding, a formal dinner, or some kind of special occasion because this is such a nice dress. The long sleeves and V neckline give it that elegant and modest style, and then the cinched waistline with these pleats in the front and back make it very flattering, I think, for all body types. And it's made out of a high quality moss crepe material, so it has this textured or pebble-like feel to it. It's beyond comfortable, it's stretchy, and I just love how flowy it is. I'm 5'3.5" and 120 pounds, so I got the small size, and this dress comes all the way down to the floor, so you can pair it with some cute heels or dressy sandals, and you're all set for the evening. If you've yet to try a dress from Coco, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. It truly is high quality, and that's my point of view.